To replace the angelized bulb, first you need to remove this cover. Twist it counterclockwise and remove it. The angelized bulb is the yellow one. To remove the bulb, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. The bulb type is H8. Undo these side clips and unplug the connector. I will install a H8 LED marker kit. As you can see, the connector is the same as the halogen bulb. If you are installing LED marker, remove this cable holder because you don't have enough space for the bulb. Just pull it out with a flathead screwdriver. Plug the connector. Place the bulb into position and twist it clockwise until it's locked. Insert the cables and the ballast into the headlight and mount the cover back. This is the result after I installed 120 watts LED marker bulbs. Thank you for watching. For any questions, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer all of you.